Welcome to Nari of all trades. Today we're making dosa recipe. So I'm going to show how many cups of rice and how many cups of urid dal. So dosa recipe starts now. Okay, this is basmati rice we're using. 3 cups. 1, 2, 3 cups. This is urid dal, 1.5 cups. 1, 1.5. Urid dal. Then we add methi. I would say about 1 tablespoon, and some rice flakes. I would say 1 handful. You have to wash this 3 times with clean water and then soak for 8 hours. So ఇది దోశ చేస్తున్నాను. సాటర్డే సండే నలుగురికి సరిపడే అమౌంట్ ఇది. For 4 people for 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. That's our breakfast. So I'm going to wash There you are. I'm going to make dosa batter. I'm going to grind in this Vitamix, very powerful one. So you use the same water. Just like that. Done. ఒక వాయి అయింది. 1 container. Make it smooth. Paste like that. The second container, use the same water, very good for it. Second container is ready. Toothpaste. Right. The last one, no, I think this one more. So we don't put salt. We leave this 2 days in a warm place, then it will ferment and it will come up this level. So we have to keep an eye, otherwise it will overflow. We're going to make chutney for dosa. It's seasoning, olive oil into the pan. That should be enough. And few red chillies. Mustard seeds. Cumin, or 1 spoon of it, that's a teaspoon, and some urid and some chutney. That's the seasoning. So once it's roasted, then you have to put onion, tomato and coconut. So we're going to break the coconut now. We're breaking the coconut. Show you the Ganesh first. Ganesha, breaking the coconut. There we go. Cutting the onion. Peeled it. Onion is ready. So this is almost, you can say, roasted. Cut the onion into slices. And then again, slices. Onion is ready. Post the tomato. This is from our tray, tomato tray. It will be nice, you know, when you pluck it from the tomato plant. Right. Tomato ready. So onions going there. You just have to roast them until the smell பச்சி வாசனை போய் வரைக்கும். Onion, tomato, coconut, chutney. You just fry all these together until the fresh smell is gone. Yellow tomato from our garden. Yeah, beautiful color. And some salt. My coffee is coming up. Filter coffee. A bit of salt. Fresh coconut, you see, just like that. Take it out. This is the trick, how to take coconut so easy. You just take bit by bit to a cup. Half coconut, sagum chip up, and we put coconut in the pan with the tomato, onion, and fry until the fresh smell is gone. About 5 minutes you fry it. Turn it off, cool it down, and then we're going to show how to blend it. The dosa batter is ready. Dosa pinda ready. Dosa ready. Onion, I'm going to rub onion on the pan. It's when you rub onion, nice smell. Also, dosa doesn't stick onto the pan. So mix it well. Take 1, 2, 3 layers of it, and then you just go start from the middle, go outwards like that. That's it. Right, we're putting normal sunflower oil, not ghee. Just like that, not much. Just a couple of rounds. Dosa is ready. So we bought this in IKEA, and this pan in Dubai. So you just pull it up like that. Fantastic. And then just nicely smooth it so it goes nice and flat. No, next one. Dosa is ready. You fold it. Another fold like a pyramid shape. అయిపోయింది. Oh, it's cool down now. So you put all this into the Ninja. Blender. We put it into the container and blend it. So it's ready, it's nice and smooth. Voila! Lovely. We put it on the plate with the chutney on the side. And then you eat.